printed. And we'll look at the black one and compare it with the white one when it goes around. And this is something I needed printed, so it didn't come from the manufacturer for our telescope, and Roy can tell you it's a pain in the neck using it, so you can make your own and print your own. This is a holder for remote control. To get back to what we got here, all 3D printing is those of us who've been in computer a while, is what we used to know as a plotter. Anybody remember plotters came out in the late 80s and 90s? Okay. They were like a printer, but they did some different things. You might draw blueprints with them, you might draw a plan for a house or something. They plotted it rather than print it. Now we're doing most of it with printers. But anyway, it's what you call an XY axis, okay, and they're going to learn this in algebra and most of the math they have. XY axis, and the Z axis is up and down. So when you 3D print something, it's going to go this way, this way, this way, this way. So now you have a certain kind of motor that tells it step here, step here, step here, step here. Then I want you to go up one. Then I want you to do it again. Then I want you to go up one more. So that's an X, Y, Z. This happens to be for the food industry. The food industry is just as interested in technology as anybody else. This is called a Pancakebot. It's a robot that makes pancakes. So you can make pancakes of any design you want. You can make it for what? An astronaut. This one is Eiffel Tower. You have here, and so on. So what it does is it does just what a printer does, X, Y axis. And in this case, it's not really a Z. That those printers would have to be a Z, which means goes up. But it does because it's going to go over it again and lay down another layer. So in days to come, more than likely, there will be a Z axis, and you probably can have a different color. So I'm looking forward when I can put happy birthday on a cake. So we're almost there, and probably will be. So anyway, if anybody wants to look at it, we're going to eat those pancakes afterwards. But anyway, that's the Eiffel Tower. This is one of the samples that it comes with. A couple weeks ago, we did an astronaut. We printed an astronaut. So anything that you can design and draw, you can print off now as a pancake. In that industry, next year, it's going to hit the market, so we probably will see it. Maybe not here in Killeen right away, but they're going to print pizzas. So it looks like they're going after commercial industry. So if you go down to the mall and the food court in the mall, there'll be a kiosk there. You put your $5 in it, whatever it's going to be, and you can choose the kind of pizza you want and the shape. If you want a pizza in the shape of your face, you'll probably be able to take a picture of your face with the camera, face recognition, and put it in. But anyway, sizes and shapes and different ingredients is what they're going to do. They're further down than that. Over in Europe, they have 5 countries working on the food industry for senior citizens, especially in nursing homes where people have strokes and so on. So. Okay, any questions so far? 6:01, yeah.
How long does it take to cook the
Pardon?
pancake? How long does the pancake take?
To make?
Yeah, to make.
You want to answer?
It's about to take 10 minutes, but it really depends on your design. If you choose intricate design, it's of course going to take more time. And if it's simple, then it's less than 10 minutes.
So if you want to impress people and buy 3 or 4 of them and have a pancake breakfast, raise money. You can tell them what kind of pancake they want. You can make it in the shape of your high school. You can make it anything you want to draw. And it is layered, so when you turn it over, that which is heated the longest will be a different color. So it can actually make eyes like for Mickey Mouse or whoever, and the eyes would be darker than the skin. The mouth could be darker. So it's not, it's shades, like we're talking about here, shades rather than color per se.
If you want to take a look at it, this is the almost ready pancake. I just turn it around, so maybe 2-3 minutes it will be ready, and we can test the sample.
Put it that one in the other one, make another one.
It's not ready yet. The bottom is.
Well, I'm saying when you're done,
yes,
make another,
yes,
so they
yes.
see it working and all.
Yes.
Okay, next thing I want to move into is my area of interest. As I said,